This is one of the most exceptional new builds I've seen in Milton, and we're going to take you inside. There's the builder, Corey Reagan with Trademark Building. He did an amazing job on this one. I love the Tudor elements, the steep, gently curved gable, the stacked stone fireplace, front facing. We've got a Bevelot copper gas lantern. So much visual interest and exterior appeal as we walk up to the home. This is 15560 Freemanville Road in Milton. New constructions, 6 bedrooms, 6 full baths, 2 half baths, 7,133 square feet on a 2.4 acre lot. Wow, this is more like a fraternity party than a broker open, but that's the way Dana Zaworski, the listing agent, rolls. She's got this beauty on the market for $3,985,000. The interior design was done by Katie Fox with Heart and Lock, and she also knocked it out of the park. Just look at this study. Sculptural fireplace, color drenched for that warm atmospheric vibe, vaulted ceiling. You're not going to find a better workspace than this in any downtown high-rise. We've got a custom diamond pattern in the white oak hardwoods in the entry foyer, and a cute little toddler grooving to the live music. Not only does the sitting room have a casually sophisticated look, it's also a great place to host your favorite performer. A very cool arched transitionway opens up to the artfully styled living room. Just look at the awesome, unique design of the fireplace, flanked by the custom half-moon built-ins. Just a great space for everyday time with your family, hosting your small group, or entertaining a few dozen realtors. There's my wife Kelly, always the social butterfly. I'm the worker bee. This is a lovely scullery. It gives you lots of additional storage and prep space. The kitchen itself blends beautiful form with high-end function. Sub-zero fridge integrated into the Kingdom, custom inset cabinets. Notice the organic look of the stonework around the Wolf gas range. Elegant lighting above the massive quartzite topped island. Super cozy dining area with built-in window seats. And a fun bar with windows that open to the back deck. We might as well go have a look at the outdoor living space. It's a beautiful day for it. This deck is magnificent. The hearth around the double-sided fireplace is extended to create a fireside sitting area. There's tons of room for outdoor dining or just getting some fresh air while you watch March Madness or the Masters. The backyard is big, it's flat, it's surrounded by mature trees for privacy. It would be an awesome place for a pool. You've got uncovered space on the other side of the fireplace for your grill and smoker. And it all opens up to the family room for a perfect entertaining flow. One of the upsides of shooting this during Dana's Broker Open Jam is you really get the sense of how perfect this layout is for entertaining. There are probably 25 to 30 people here now. You could easily host 3 to 4 times that number if you're fortunate enough to have that many friends. This is one of the most sophisticated powder rooms you'll ever see. The bucolic wallpaper makes you feel like you're having a wee in the woods, which every man enjoys. I love the stone accent wall along the entry vestibule to the main level primary suite. There's a wonderful little office with a picture window just outside the bedroom, double doors so you can close it off for privacy. The bedroom is bright and airy. It has a very serene vibe. The fluted accent panels add some nice texture. It has private access to the back deck so you can enjoy some fresh Milton air in the morning. I can promise you're going to see deer in the backyard frequently. You also get to enjoy the uncovered side of the double-sided fireplace. Hey there. The ensuite bath has the popular luxury spa style, but with some interesting twist. LED underlighting beneath the dual vanities with its his and hers vessel sinks. A really cool barrel vaulted entry into this sleek shower with 3 heads, all digitally controlled from this panel. And of course you have a water closet for privacy. The primary suite is topped off with dual his and hers walk-in closets. They're ready to be customized to suit your own personal taste and storage needs. I don't think the light's on in here. Let's see if we can get those on. There we go. Actually, we're already getting a good bit of natural light from the window. This area of Freemanville Road is right in the heart of Milton equestrian country. You're surrounded by beautiful farms and stables, but you're also only about 5 minutes away from Birmingham Village, where you have a Publix and several nice restaurants. We've got a cute little reading nook at the landing to the upper level. There are 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, plus this laundry room here on the upper level. All of the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. Plus you get some interesting bonus space that we'll explore. This is a really cool bedroom with its vaulted ceilings with exposed wood beams. Has the kind of character you don't often see in secondaries. Has a nice tiled shower and a good-sized walk-in closet. This home is zoned for Cambridge High School, which gets an amazing 9 out of 10 score on great schools. You also have some excellent private schools to choose from in the area, depending on what type of education you want for your kids. When they're not in school, this bonus room would be a fantastic playroom or teen lounge for them to hang out. It's got a really fun, spacious layout with its vaulted ceiling. You've got a closet for storing toys or hiding vapes. And with the full wall of interior windows, you can keep an eye on what they're doing in here. Make sure they're not breaking any household rules. Kelly and I raised 2 boys in Milton. They both went to Cambridge High School. It's a fantastic place to raise kids. It's safe and there's tons of outdoor space for them to get out and run around and play. Plus, there's excellent youth sports organizations, performing arts opportunities, scout troops. Lots of good stuff to keep them occupied in a positive way. Check out this guest suite. It has ample room for your guests to enjoy their stay. It's really like a spacious loft apartment. It does, of course, have an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. It would also be perfect for multi-generational living space. Not only do you have all this room, but you also have private stairway access to the main level just outside the garage, so an adult child, for example, could come and go as they pleased. The builders included a lot of great features that aren't readily apparent as we tour the house. Things like solid 8-foot doors, foundation waterproofing, an advanced security system, zoned high-efficiency HVAC systems, and of course great finishes that we are seeing like the high-end trim work, the wide plank white oak floors throughout the home, designer lighting. We're going to take the stairway from the guest suite to see a couple of other areas of the main level that we skimmed over initially. Look at this custom drop zone here in the mudroom. This could be the most aesthetically appealing design that we've seen. It's right outside the main level laundry room. We also had a laundry room on the upper level. You can enter this one from the side of the home. It has lots of cabinet space and a sink, which definitely comes in handy, a folding area. The mudroom also has an entrance from the backyard, and of course it opens up into the massive 3-car garage. There's also space for parking on the pad outside the garage if you have more than 3 drivers in the home. This actually opens up to the deck, not the backyard. That was my mistake, and it's right around the corner from the second powder room on the main level. And it's right outside the garage, and if you have small children, you know that this could be a godsend. The home has a full basement with almost 2,700 square feet of unfinished space. Building it out would bring the total living space up to almost 10,000 square feet. You could add your dream fitness room, home theater, or game room. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you this spectacular property in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I really hope you enjoyed the tour.